Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make tamarind chicken from scratch. The tamarind in this recipe gives the dish a fantastic sweet and sour flavour. If using roasted sesame seeds, add them to the marinade instead of frying with the curry leaves and chilies. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. This is a tamarind sauce I tend to use in my recipes purely because it's convenient. Add the meat to a bowl and add the tomato paste, tamarind paste, chili powder, salt, sugar, garlic and ginger paste, desiccated coconut, cumin and coriander powder. Mix well, cover and allow to marinate for an hour, but ideally overnight for best results. On a medium-high heat, add the oil to a pan along with the onions and cook, stirring frequently until beginning to brown. Add in the curry leaves, fresh is best, sesame seeds, onion seeds, dry Kashmiri chilies and fenugreek seeds. Fry for a minute to release the flavours. In with the marinated meat and the remaining liquids, stirring carefully to combine. Add in the heated water and stir through well, turning up the heat to high, incorporate the tomatoes. When the dish is reaching the consistency you require and the meat is almost cooked through, add in the fresh coriander and finger chilies. Stir through and continue to cook until the oil begins to separate. Serve and enjoy. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.